Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I am testing this Faber Castell Perfection Pencil Eraser. How well does this erase? Let's find out. I bought this Faber Castell Perfection Pencil Eraser a while ago because I was curious to see how well this erases fine lines and small areas. I mostly use either a rubber eraser or a kneadable eraser. This is the first time I'm using this eraser. It is sold with and without a brush at the end, which is quite useful to brush away the bits that come off when erasing without smudging the paper. So let's see how this eraser performs. For my first test I have used a B2 pencil. The pencil feels quite hard and chalky. And as you can see, I have to erase for quite some time to get the lead off. As you can see, after all this erasing, the lead is still showing through. Here I am lifting out a white area. I am mostly using a circular motion. As you can see, I haven't been able to erase the pencil mark completely. For this test I have used a B pencil. As you can see, the pencil is still showing through. For this test I have used an HB pencil. I can't really see a difference between erasing a B2 pencil, a B pencil and an HB pencil. The lead is still showing through. Let's see how well you can sharpen the pencil. So you can sharpen it, but it's rather tricky to get a fine point. Here I'm doing the same test with colored pencils. As you can see, it takes a while and it's not that easy to remove any of the color. Here I'm doing the same test with pastel pencils. I think that pastel pencils are actually easier to erase with this pencil than colored pencils. For this test I have used a charcoal pencil. As you can see, it doesn't work well with charcoal. Here I'm doing the same tests with my rubber eraser. As you might have noticed, it's much easier to erase with this one, and it is leaving less of a mark. Maybe a change in paper makes a difference. Let's have a look. This is printing paper. Here I'm using also my rubber eraser for comparison. And here I am using my kneadable eraser. Again, I find it easier to use my other two erasers for this job. So how well does it erase if I use the pencil very lightly? As you can see, the text still shows through. So according to the sales page for the version without the brush, it says that this eraser is suitable for ink and ballpoint pens. Let's test this quickly. As you can see, it doesn't come off at all, and I think the information on the website is simply wrong. So what do I like about this eraser? Well, you can sharpen it, and the brush is handy, and it doesn't destroy the paper. However, I'm very disappointed by its performance, especially as I like Faber Castell products a lot. You have to erase for a long time to get the lead or pigment off, and it still shows it faintly. Working in a circular motion works best. You can lift areas out, but again they will not come off completely white. Would I buy it again? Probably not. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions or comments, let me know and I will try my best to answer them. And if you liked the video, it would be awesome if you could hit the like button. If you want to see more of my videos, make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Until next time.